Right, do you want to see what we've been doing then?
I'm going to do the intro and that there.
What was I going to do now?
Welcome back to Fix It, Trip It.
Okay, welcome back to Fix It and Trip It. This is my Astra van that I'm trying to get on the road. We're finding more and more problems the more I'm taking it apart, which is getting really irritating because I was planning to literally change the disc, change the pads and MOT it. Now I've got to change the discs, the pads. I found out the rear calipers are seized, the rear pads and discs are trashed, so I've got to change them. I've also found this out here, if you want to come and look at this. That is split, so that's not looking good. I'm gonna have to, I've got to change it, haven't I? I don't even know how to take one of those off. I imagine it just pulls off. Does it just pull off? I've never in my life had to mess with any of that. Oh, and that snapped as well, and I don't know if I did it, but the corner of that has chipped off. I don't really think it's a problem. I don't know. Oh, and it's a good job I didn't drive it, because I turn this. If you look at this, the drop link here, some smart arse has left it unscrewed. That probably would have, I wouldn't have caused anything bad to happen, really. I have had that in the past on a lowered car. I might have last done that Astra before when it had springs on it, and it snapped and it just got stuck in the wheel and just made a loud bang noise. So it's not the end of the world, but it's still not great, is it? I've got to change this. This is why I never throw anything away. That was off my old Astra estate car, so that needs to go in here. Like that. Hopefully the scrapman don't nick it. What I'm thinking, Aristo, is we do a video of cleaning the interior. What do you think? Seems as the sun's about to go down.
I mean, you like cleaning, do you? So.
Not really. Don't want to do any of this at the moment. I've got all this stuff going on. I've got to build an Audi. All of this just to take some rubbish to the tip. Yeah, them discs and pads are no good, aren't they? They've literally used every last bit of this car. Like, it's so bad. But the good thing is I read through the service booklet. I read through that last night. It had the dual mass flywheel and the clutch changed at 115. But it sounds so quiet and nice compared to that one. It literally goes ba bang, ba bang, ba bang, bang, bang when you start it. It's,
all three cars are hoods are up.
I know, it's really bad, isn't it?
So what engine is this?
Z19DTH. Apparently it's got 240 horsepower. I find that very hard to believe. It's got a standard R70 fuel pump on it. Mine's got an R80 on it, I think it is. That's snapped off. Something to do with the glow plug regulator or relay. That needs doing.
The Audi. What engine is that?
V6 3 litre TDI. No idea anything about the engine code or anything about. But it's still there. Same as your engine, isn't it? Oh, in fact, no, it's slightly different.
Come on, man!
Go on!
Defo faster! Yes! It's gone, it's gone.
See, yours has got these, on yours are plastic, on mine it's metal. But,
Save the turtles.
You are?
Save the turtles.
Save the turtles.
Get rid of the plastic.
Oh.
No, what engine's in this, mate?
Oh, have a guess. Have a wild guess.
1.9.
Yeah, Z19DTH again.
But this one's a bit more upgraded, eh?
Yeah, it's got intercooler, FMIC as everyone calls it. Took me a long time to work out what everyone was saying in the group chats in cars. Thinking, I've got FMIC. I had no idea what it meant, but now I do. Yeah, it's a bit sad to see this in the way it is. I think the belt has slipped. And I think the water pump is seized. This is just guesswork because when I was at the traffic light I heard the top engine making some noise, then it just fucking conked out, which was a very sad day. Oh, I don't know about that. Very sad day. This has had loads of stuff done on it and I'm really torn what to do. I could take everything off this and put it on that. That is on 215,000 miles, so it's just about running.
How about we let the followers decide?
I don't know if I can let followers decide my life.
Keep this or keep that.
See,
or get rid of that and keep both.
I can't get rid of my Clio, man. I can't.
Get rid of Audi, fuck it, you know. Yeah.
No, I can't get rid of the Audi. I can't really get rid of any of it. It's really sad. But I mean, look, I'll show you around this one. Oops. Like this is, I finally finished this car. I needed new doors and a new boot, but anyway. Look, the gear's nice and thingy. I've just had the gearbox rebuilt. I did that last week. Put this Corsa DVXR steering wheel in here. Got my boost gauge. See how many boosts we've got. And this is only on 140 odd thousand miles. I've had this engine in here for not even 2 years, bro. And I've already blown it up. And we've driven it to Spain driven it to France, driven it to Germany, and it chooses to blow up a quarter of a mile down the road.
Well, better near home than
Oh, a wasp.
3,000 miles away.
I really don't know what to do, but this has got the EGR blanked off, it's got the EGR cooler removed, the swirl flaps have been deleted, the intercooler, I've changed that, which is a common problem, pipe that gets all rusty. So I don't know what to do. If anyone would store this for me for £30 a month, I'd be very happy. But the likelihood of me finding that is 1,000,000 to 1, isn't it? It's a shame, isn't it, in this country? We can't lift our cars anywhere, can we, without it costing us a fortune? And my mum's getting a bit annoyed because I keep turning up with new cars every day. My neighbours probably don't like me. But yeah, should we go and clean this car? I'm going to show you the inside of this, just to show you how bad it is. And then the before. This is the before and after. So it's pretty bad. I think it was a builder's van. That's the only logical explanation, that it was a builder's van. It's got these, I like these, got them, I like that, I like that. Steering wheel is going, that's out of my grey, Nardo grey van. I want to put that in here because this is all, I don't even know what to call that, it's falling apart is what it is. And then look, these gear cables are the original ones, as stiff as anything. This armrest is pretty cool. I've never seen one of them in an Astra. Mine's got one, but it's really crap. Mine's really crap. The seats aren't too bad. I think the seats out of a 5-door because you can't pull them forwards for some weird reason. So someone must have took out the nice seats and put these seats in it. This is the dash. I don't like the head unit. See, mine's got all nice piano black dash and all that. And we've got all this. It's got rust on here. I don't know how I'm going to go about sorting that because of all the imperfections that have been circled. Yeah, it's not good. What do you think, Krista? It's not really how bad this car.
Keep it.
And then look at the back of this. It's terrible.
I like Le Mans wheels though still.
Yeah, Le Mans wheels are going on this, jerks. And I've got some leftover oil from servicing that with him. So we're going to, I'm going to use that, freebies. Right, let's clean this. The other reason why I would like this car is because it's got electric mirrors as well.
Sorry.
You know what, I need a paintbrush. To just add, oh, 1 minute. What am I playing at? I've got all the stuff I bought to fix fucking detail cars. What am I playing at?
You're not going to say what you just said.
What did I say?
Can't clean a car without a beer, can you?
Alright. Can't clean a car without a beer, can you? See how well it sounds because I haven't started it since I've bought it. It's not really much better. I'm trying to polish a turd here. It's not vastly better. It's a bit better. It's not great. Got rid of a lot of stains off that seat. Got rid of a lot of the dust and stuff. but you can see, I think it was a painter and decorator builder's van. That's all I'm going to do for now, to be honest with you, but should we see if it starts? Oh no, they've siliconed the big mirror on, haven't they? I don't know what's going on there.
Start.
That's how long I've been driving my Astras. I'm doing that like that.
First fucking time.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, we probably ruined the car. We put them on the wrong way round.
You put them on.
The guy put them on.
Yes.
Oh, what? That's how tired I am, man. The whole paint just ruined the car. We had the fucking jump leads on the wrong way round.
Fucking hell.
Oh man, that's it now. All my money's gone trying to get a new van, and I've just blown up the new van I've bought. That's terrible. Right, it's the end of the video. It hasn't really cleaned up that well. I think it's going to need a hell of a lot more work than that. In the next video, I'm going to put the radiator on. I'm going to do the brakes. I'll do some video of all that. I've got to sort the back brakes out. And then we'll soon have this up on the road, and like I say, we'll fix it and I'll trip it. And yeah, see you on the next one.